Look at this 2008 Ford Super Duty F-350. Carfax has certified this Super Duty F-350 as having one owner. This Super Duty F-350 has just under 100,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Super Duty F-350 boasts a 6.4-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 512-834-9900 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.